Hi, hello. I'm here once again. So, I will give you another set of oral reading. So, this is lesson 25-A because this is the continuation of our previous lesson 25. So, please look at the description box below for the specific page of Gregg Shorthand. Okay, so we will start from Dear Sir, if you need a new Jeep on your farm, we invite you to stop in at our showroom at 15 Church Avenue, period. We will show you the 8 models we have on our floors, period. We assure you that we can supply you with a Jeep that will meet all your needs at a price that will please you, period. If you care to test drive a Jeep, our salesman, Mr. Jack Small, will arrange it. Paragraph. We are open till 9 at night on all weekdays, period. Sincerely yours. Okay, so that's the end of my another set of oral reading. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.